Welcome to Manifest Mission. Today, we're diving into an easy manifestation subliminal technique that can help you attract your desires effortlessly. Manifestation is all about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with what you want to attract into your life. And one powerful way to do this is through subliminal messaging. Subliminal messages are messages or affirmations that are flashed at a speed or volume that the conscious mind can't detect, but the subconscious mind can absorb. Now, let's get into our easy manifestation subliminal technique. Step 1, choose your affirmations. Select affirmations that resonate with your desires. These could be related to wealth, health, relationships, or any area of your life you want to improve. Step 2, record your affirmations. Record your chosen affirmations in your own voice. This adds a personal touch and strengthens the connection with your subconscious mind. Step 3, create your subliminal audio. Use a software or app to layer your recorded affirmations underneath relaxing music or nature sounds. Make sure the affirmations are barely audible. Step 4, listen daily. Set aside time each day to listen to your subliminal audio. You can do this while meditating, working, or even while sleeping. Step 5, believe and let go. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and let go of any attachment to the outcome. Believe that your desires are already on their way to you. And there you have it. An easy manifestation subliminal technique that you can start using today to attract abundance and success into your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy manifesting.